Welcome to Excel Guru YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Hi, I'm back with a new MI solution. The company is Lpca Laboratories Private Limited. Okay. Here, first of all, here totally 185 to 190. 185 to 190. Guys, try to understand. It's very important questions. If you go anywhere, out of 90% questions will ask for MIS. 90% questions. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Okay. Now, coming to this. What I said, find the name who got less marks by using VLOOKUP without helper. Okay, first of all, I will show you helper and later I will show you without helper. Okay. Now, what is the minimum marks? Is equal to min of, he wants student names. Okay. So min of this, min of this. Okay. Min of this. Control enter. So minimum is 22. Right? Done. Now we will do VLOOKUP. I am showing without, with helper. Okay. VLOOKUP of this comma this f4 comma 2 comma 0. Okay. Student 9 got less marks 22. Okay. Now here observe guys, I use this one F2. I'll copy this one from here, Control C, escape, F2. In place of D7 I will use this one. Okay. I will freeze this one by pressing F4 function key. It's a normal function, no need use of Control Shift and enter. If you remove this one, nothing will happen. Okay, just copy here. In place of min, you have to use max, maximum marks. Okay. Now let us try by using a conditional format for this also. I have not mentioned, but we'll try. Okay, we'll try that one. Okay, min of it is min of down arrow F4 equal to this relative reference. Okay, F4 F4. I'm locking the column but not the row. Enter. So double click. So it will show you the true here. Okay. I'll copy this one and double click and double click and double click from here. Okay, this is true. Now use condition format for this. Copy, Control C, escape, select the data, Alt H L N, shortcut key for conditional format, page down, tab, Control V, format, bold, fill with lesser mark, so you have to use red mark. Font width will be white. Okay. Right. Same as this max. Use max here. Double click. You also use the green color. Okay. Use green color. Alt HLN. Here, go to here, paste it, format with green color. Font bold, fill with a green, and the font will be the white. Okay. See, if I change anything like 1, see, here it will change student 2. And marks will be 1. Okay guys, now coming to 185 is over. Now 186. said here K is there, here M is there. K for 1000, M for million. You have to multiply this with this. First of all, you have to extract the numbers. First of all, we will do this one. What you'll say, VLOOKUP, okay, is equal to right of this comma 1. So what it will show us, give K like this, KM, okay, F2 VLOOKUP of this comma, and where is the table? You have to select the table, F4 comma 2 comma 0, enter. Now we got these numbers. Now coming to the left of this comma, len of this minus 1, multiply by VLOOKUP, okay, enter. Is it right? Okay guys, if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box or in my group. Coming to here, find the product which is purchased recently. Recent date, okay. With match we can do match this one, so it will give us the position, okay, it will give us the position, comma 0, F9, so it will give us the position which is the recent date, okay. Index of which one, you know, unit data client, this one, F4 comma match, so it will give us the position. Control enter. ABC is the recent purchase. It is not ABC, I think so. It's a blank, so it is not purchased, okay, it's a blank, it's not purchased. And which is another one, 110, it has to come 110, right? It will be JKL. Why it is taking this one then? The recent one is this one. Some problem. The recent one is October 1st, not this 8. So we'll do another method. Max if right equal to this one, okay, then take this one. Now let's try it is working or not. Okay, wait, I close the bracket here. No need of closing the bracket. Okay, enter array function. Control shift tilde. What happened? Okay, what's wrong here? The procedure is correct, guys. Max if this is equal to x, then take this one. Okay, max. Not yeah, okay, it's x. Take this one, not this one. Take this one. Control shift tilde or short date. Format, painter, go to here. This is the correct answer. So you want to find the JKL, okay. Index of this F4 comma match of this comma dates are here, okay, F4. Simply I am using F4 to jump into the formula. Close parenthesis, control shift enter. This is the right answer, guys, not this one. Maybe this is the wrong answer, this is the right answer. JKL is the right answer, okay. Now coming to here, what I said, you have to add to days from Jan to below month, so you have to count from January to March, okay. So here is there equal January to March, right? So I'll keep here colon, I'll remove this one, F9. See, 1 2 1 1 2 1. Okay, if I change this equal sign to another month, October. Now let's see what will happen. F9. See, till October it will take. Okay, 2. Now just do some product for here. Some product of here. Enter. So totally 16 are there. If I change this one to August, it will change automatically. If I change to February, not August, February, so one these two things. Okay, let's try the condition format. Let's try match of February, comma F4, comma 0 is less than rows, open the bracket, C $33 colon C 33. I'm trying guys. Control enter. Double click. Okay, I did not log this one, so we have to log this one. Enter. Okay, I have to use not less than, greater than. You have to use greater than. Enter. From January to February. Equal sign. I have to use equal sign. Equal sign. Enter. And copy this one. F2. Control C. Escape. Alt HLN. Shortcut key for conditional format. Control V. Let's try guys. This one font into font. Okay, let's try. If I change February to September. Okay, February check. I did not put September. Right. Okay guys. Now coming to here. We first of all will go here. You have to find the last weekday for the month. Simply use EO month of this, comma 0. So it will give us the date. Okay, it will give us the date. Control enter. See, this is the date. So simply use the last date. Text of this, comma DDD. Enter. So May last week for below month, May for the May, Thursday the last weekday. Okay, and here coming to last Sunday. So here you have to find a very critical, but if you understand it will easy for you. Okay, row indirect, this one, not this one, you have to take from first. So what you will do, EO month of this minus 1. Okay, so it will give you April. So you add 1. Done. And add this one. And EO month of this, comma 0. So it will give us the dates from 1st May to 31st of May. Okay, simply use text of comma DDD equal to Sunday. F9. So it will give, wherever it finds the Sunday it will show the true, and wherever it finds other than Sunday it will show the false. So we need last Sunday, 1 divided by 10. Now I need this one, the text one, the text value. Control C. Look up the number which is greater than and which is not available in a range. You have to find 2 to the power of 15, comma, and the result vector will be comma, control V. Now it's an array, but lookup can handle array by pressing enter. So 27th May is the last Sunday in a month. If you want, you can check it. Okay, coming to 190. Okay, come on, 190. No, 190. Last one. Extract the record those one is not zero filter function, only invoice and prep. Only these two things you need. Okay. Copy this one from here without filter, I said. Okay, without filter. Okay, simply use index of so relative reference control F4 E. Okay, E comma small if quantity F4 F4 is not equal to not greater than 0 comma row open the bracket. Copy this one, control V minus row control V plus 1 comma rows open the bracket K $41 colon K41. These are the things which is not having 0. These are the errors. Just remove errors by using if error. If it's a large data, you are not supposed to use if error because it will take longer time. Okay, I'll show you another method. Use that one. See. If I enter any value here 5, see. If I remove anything over here like this, see. Okay guys, and I'll back with a new MIs as soon as possible. Thank you guys.